For more than 3 decades, the Hubble Space Telescope has stood as one of the most remarkable achievements in the history of space science, continuously expanding human understanding of the universe and pushing the boundaries of what was once thought possible. Quietly orbiting far above Earth like a silent observer in the darkness of space, it has carried out its mission with steady precision, capturing detailed images of the universe without interruption. Far above the interference of Earth's atmosphere, Hubble operates in a region of clarity where light is no longer distorted, allowing it to observe the cosmos with exceptional sharpness. When it was launched aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery in 1990, it represented both a major technological breakthrough and a bold step forward in humanity's exploration of space. Years of planning and engineering effort were condensed into a single instrument designed to explore the deepest parts of the universe. At the time, no one could fully predict how deeply this telescope would change our understanding of space and existence. Initially, Hubble was seen mainly as a powerful tool for capturing clearer images of distant celestial objects. It was not yet fully recognized as an instrument that would reshape humanity's entire view of the universe. Positioned above Earth's atmosphere, it avoids distortion and captures light with remarkable precision. Through its lens, the night sky is transformed from a blurry field of light into a structured and detailed cosmic landscape. Stars, once seen as simple points of light, are revealed as massive celestial bodies shining across vast distances. Their light has traveled for billions of years, carrying information from the distant past of the universe. Each star becomes a record of cosmic history, showing how the universe has evolved over time. Galaxies, when observed by Hubble, appear not as faint smudges but as vast, organized systems filled with structure and motion. Their spiral arms stretch outward in graceful patterns shaped by gravity and long-term cosmic forces. At their centers, powerful energy sources create intense radiation that influences their structure. These galaxies behave like evolving systems, constantly changing over billions of years. Nebulae appear as huge clouds of gas and dust glowing in space, forming beautiful and complex shapes. Within them, new stars are born while older ones fade, continuing the cycle of stellar life. Although Hubble was designed to study distant galaxies, its role expanded as its capabilities grew. It became a long-term observatory capable of studying both deep space and nearby objects in our solar system. Unlike short missions, Hubble continuously observes space over long periods of time. Orbiting Earth every 90 minutes, it repeatedly records the same regions to detect slow changes. This long-term view has allowed scientists to build a continuous record of cosmic activity. It has shown that space is not static but constantly changing and evolving. Even our solar system is dynamic, with planets, moons, and small bodies always in motion. Planets shift slightly, atmospheres change, and surfaces evolve over time. Moons move due to gravity, and orbital paths slowly adjust. What once seemed stable is now understood as a system in constant. Beyond its contributions to deep space exploration, the Hubble Space Telescope has also provided some of the most detailed, continuous, and scientifically valuable observations of planetary behavior and small body dynamics within our solar system, revealing that even nearby celestial objects are far more active and evolving than once assumed. One of the most significant and frequently studied targets has been Mars, a planet whose relative proximity to Earth, combined with its visible surface features and changing atmospheric conditions, makes it an ideal natural laboratory for long-term planetary observation. Through repeated high-resolution imaging over many years, Hubble has captured full disk views of Mars at different points in its orbit, allowing scientists to directly compare seasonal and long-term variations across its surface with remarkable clarity. These extended observations have confirmed that Mars is not a static or unchanging world, but rather a planet undergoing continuous transformation driven by orbital motion, axial tilt, and atmospheric dynamics that unfold over time. Different regions of the Martian surface gradually shift in brightness, color, and texture as seasons progress, while polar regions expand and contract in a predictable cycle influenced by temperature changes and solar exposure. Thin atmospheric clouds have been observed forming at various altitudes, drifting slowly across the planet, and gradually dissipating, providing strong evidence that Mars possesses a weak but functional and global-scale weather system. One of the most important long-term discoveries is the clear seasonal cycle of the polar ice caps, where frozen carbon dioxide and water ice expand during colder periods and retreat during warmer periods in a repeating, structured pattern. This cycle strongly confirms that Mars experiences a consistent climatic rhythm, even though its atmosphere is extremely thin and far less stable than Earth's, demonstrating that it still retains active environmental processes. Hubble has also documented some of the most dramatic atmospheric events on Mars, particularly massive dust storms capable of expanding rapidly and affecting nearly the entire planet. In 2001, a powerful global dust storm completely engulfed Mars for several months, covering the planet in a dense atmospheric haze that blocked most surface features from view. During this extreme event, Mars temporarily appeared almost featureless, highlighting how quickly and dramatically its environmental conditions can shift under the influence of wind-driven processes. Such observations have fundamentally changed scientific understanding of Mars, transforming it from a once assumed inactive and geologically quiet world into a dynamic planet shaped by ongoing atmospheric circulation, seasonal change, and surface interaction. Beyond Mars, Hubble has also provided crucial insights into its small and irregular moon Phobos, which plays an important role in understanding gravitational interactions within the Martian system. Long-term tracking of Phobos has shown that it is slowly spiraling inward toward Mars due to tidal forces generated by the gravitational interaction between the planet and its moon. This inward movement is extremely gradual but continuous, occurring over millions of years, and serves as a clear example of how gravitational forces can slowly reshape orbital systems over extended timescales. Based on these measurements, scientists predict that Phobos will eventually reach a critical point where tidal stress could cause it to break apart, potentially forming a temporary ring system around Mars, or alternatively collide with the planet's surface in the distant future. In the asteroid belt located between Mars and Jupiter, Hubble has revealed a region that is far more dynamic and active than previously believed, showing that it is not a quiet collection of inert rocks but a constantly changing system of interacting bodies. Asteroids in this region frequently undergo gravitational interactions, collisions, and rotational changes that contribute to a continuously evolving environment shaped by long-term physical processes. Some asteroids rotate at extremely high speeds due to uneven solar heating, which creates structural stress that can cause them to shed material into space over time. This process can form faint dust trails or comet-like tails, even though these objects are not traditional comets, highlighting the complex and unexpected behaviors of rocky bodies in space. In other observed cases, Hubble has directly recorded asteroid collisions, where high-energy impacts generate expanding clouds of debris that spread outward and slowly disperse across space. Over extended periods, these fragments continue to drift, interact gravitationally, and separate further, demonstrating that even ancient asteroid populations are not static remnants of the early solar system, but active participants in an ongoing cycle of fragmentation, collision, and gradual evolution.